Alright, so I'm testing out these lights that these companies sent me. This is going to be done on a 2015 Dodge Ram. I already got the whole headlight assembly out. You got 3 10 millimeters plus a little clip that you'll push upwards to get the headlight out. You'll have a cover here to take off. I've already got this one on. Now I'll do the high beam. Alright, so I got this one on. One thing I kind of noticed with the high beam, it's got a little bit of a play to it. It should stay in place. This one here, nice and tight, doesn't move. That one there kind of wiggles around, but it shouldn't affect anything there. So I'll go and put the covers on and we'll do a comparison. I only took off the driver's side and we'll do a comparison from the original versus these lights. So here's a little comparison. This is the LED unit. This is going to be the high beam versus the halogen. And this is with the high beam. Of course, the camera doesn't pick up very well. Halogen versus the LED one. That's what it looks like. So if you guys are interested in trying these out, or one for yourself, I'll put a link in the description for you guys to check out the website and purchase if you want some. Thanks for watching.